Okay, gentlemen. I was just talking with Ben and I was talking with Jordan. You know what? Sometimes it's easiest, and you may find it simplest, just to get rid of all the fractions. So just do that. Get rid of the fractions. Now in this first one, some guy said multiply by 48. You could do that. I am actually going to multiply by 24 because that's the smallest number that 8 and 6 go into. They both go into 48 and that would work fine, but you're just going to have bigger numbers. It doesn't matter. You're still going to get the same answer. So I'm going to multiply this by 24 on top and bottom. I'm just going to change this one first. So 24 and 8 here and here, that cancels, and this becomes 3p. Is everybody happy with that? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the 24 with the 6 cancels and it becomes 4q. So 3p plus 4q is equal to 24. Okay. Now, let me ask you this. What would you like to do on this one? Now, I could multiply by 3q, but Eric, what do you see?
Well, could you like multiply by q, and then you can like
I could multiply it by q, but then I need to multiply it by 3 as well, right? Because I got to get rid of both of those fractions. I can do that. There's something else that can happen up here. Max?
Multiply by 3q?
Well, we can multiply by 3q. Alexander?
Cross multiply?
You can cross multiply because this is a fraction equaling a fraction.
Oh, wow.
Right? P over q is equal to negative 2 over 3. So now the new equation that I get is going to be 2q.
Negative 2.
Okay, I'm sorry. We'll make it negative 2q. We'll put the negative up top like we want to. Negative 2q is equal to 3p. But guys, remember, we got to write it in standard form. Yes? So that we get the terms all lined up so we can combine them. All right. So I'm actually going to subtract 3p from both sides. And now I've got a new equation. I've got negative 3p minus 2q is equal to 0.
Wait, what, isn't it?
Does that make sense?
Wait, isn't it positive?
Because these just cancel out.
Wait.
3p minus 3p. Does that make sense, Eric?
Yeah.
Okay. So now look, I'm going to rewrite these just so I can see them. So now I've got 3p plus 4q is equal to 24. And I've got negative 3p minus 2q is equal to 0. Do I need to change them anymore?
No.
I don't. Which one's going to cancel out for me, Alfredo? The 3p's are going to cancel out. But let me ask you something, Jack. Should I add these two equations or subtract them?
Should add.
I should add them because one's positive and one's negative. When they're the same sign, I add them. So now I'm going to get, this just cancels. 4 plus negative 2 is going to give me 2q. Oh, 2q. And 24 plus 0 is 24. Divide both sides by 2, and q is equal to 12. Beautiful. Now, if I want to figure out, if I want to solve for p, I can plug it into any of these equations. I'm going to plug it into this one, just because it's simplest. I don't want to plug it into the ones with the fractions. Okay, I'm going to make it as simple as I can for me. So now I'm going to get 3p plus 4 times 12, because that's what q equals, is equal to 24. 3p plus, is that 48?
Yeah.
Equals 24. I'm going to subtract 48 from both sides. And I'm going to get 3p is equal to negative 24. Divide by 3. And p is equal to negative 8. Which one goes first in my ordered pair, p or q? Jordan? P. So I'm going to do negative 8, comma, 12. And that's my ordered pair. Yeah, Eric?
I'll show.
You okay? We're good? All right, good job, guys. You're ready for your homework.